had a video request from Lamont the Fan Man, who wanted to hear some startup sounds on this Lakewood Model 227. And I have removed the rear guard so we could get a little bit closer to the motor and just get a better look at it, generally speaking. I guess I never really paid attention to what this fan has for startup sounds, but I know it's going to start really quickly, especially on the high speed. It just really gets up and goes. So I don't know what we're really going to be able to get for a startup sound, but we'll see what we come up with. Here is high speed. See, it just doesn't waste any time. And here's 2. And 1. There you go, Lamont. Thank you for watching.